Okay, so here we are at the Soho Hotel in Makati, right a block away from P Burgos Street. Of course, I'm going to show you everywhere I stay, whenever I stay, if I can remember or if I could edit the video properly, but I'm always show you when I can. First, let me explain this. The reason I chose to here, I'm only going to be here for a night or two. Then I'm going to start traveling, different places, but I need something fast and cheap, just for a night or two to get some rest. Then I'm going to start exploring. So I found this in Makati, 62 American dollars for 2 nights. So, $33 a night, about $10 security fee, get that back when you leave. So, nice place, a condo hotel. People actually live here, and nice young man rented the room to me because it says he owns the room. Nice guy, gets back to you promptly. So it's don't expect much. I mean, not bad. If you come here, P Burgos Street famous for partying. So if you come here to party, nice area to go to. And even if you're not here for that, just want somewhere cheap to stay for a night or two, it's okay. It's okay. So anyway, let's finish. Let me explain everything. Go here, we have the bathroom first. So, like I said, don't expect much, but at the same time, it's not dirty. It's not dirty, it's nice. Just a shower. Hot water, toilet, sink. Hot water control there, so you do have hot water in the shower. I didn't try it yet, but you should. Okay, it's a small room, basic small room. Just for spending a night or two. Nothing much to it. There is Wi-Fi. He did explain that to me. There were no channels I could get to, no YouTube or anything. They did have Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. I had to actually log in under my own account. I remember, yeah, I didn't see their account for the room, but I logged in on my account, so that is playing. No issues so far. I do notice that they want me to pay for almost every movie. There are a few movies for free, but that's okay. Wi-Fi, haven't tried to upload or download anything yet, but so far just watching videos on my laptop does seem to be okay. So the Wi-Fi does seem to be pretty good, pretty fast, and it's complementary with the room. So you do have, they're not mine, they were there already. Oh no. But so you got some house rules and regulations. And this is room 1205 on 12th floor. It's kind of dark in here. It's okay though. I mean, it's kind of dim. Bright with the curtains open, but it's so hot with that sun beaming right in the room. Air conditioning's working, it's pumping nice. Feels good in here. Haven't had to adjust it since I walked in. It's a queen size bed, I believe. Haven't got on it yet, but looks comfortable. Haven't sat there yet. Small sink here. Have the ventilation, but it's no cooking here. We have the ventilation here. A couple plates if you need it. What's this? I haven't opened any of this stuff yet, people. Got your sink here, as I said. Big giant drawer. That's a big drawer. I don't know what that stuff is. Extra supplies, I guess. Like I said, I haven't opened any of this stuff. Looks like cleaning supplies. Is that a stovetop? Might be a... here's a cooking top. Electric. I guess that's electric. Oh, I guess you can. Okay. Guess you can set up to cook here. Didn't know that. Okay. I don't plan on cooking. Like I said, P Burgos Street is right down the street. The famous filling station cafe and other places are right down the street. I have a mid-sized refrigerator here. It's cold. Microwave. Small microwave. I guess there's not much to it, but I mean, if you're just looking for a quick night or two, stay like I am, it's available for you. So you got the air con. Got the big closet here. with the extra aircon. Looks newer than that one. But big closet here if you need it. I'm not gonna hang my clothes. I'm gonna be here for a night or two. I'll just live out my suitcase for now. Then we have the view of Makati. I had the curtains open earlier when I first got here, but it is hot. So here is the view from the small balcony. As the young man said, if I want to smoke, I can come out here on the little balcony and smoke, because you can't smoke in the room, but I told him I don't smoke. But I do love a good view. So let's go out here. It is so hot. Got my socks on, but we'll be okay. It is hot. It's hot, yo. It is hot, hot. It is burning hot. So this is Makati. Makati Avenue is right over there. Guess that's Manila way back in there, back over there. I mean, other parts of Manila. Sounds of the city. You know, I love that. Another building across the street. I asked the guy at the front, the desk, check-in desk, where is P Burgos Street? I think he said it's right there, right a block away from the hotel. I'll find out in a little while. I'm going out there to go to 7-Eleven, which is right downstairs. Get some water and things. Yeah, I figure I'm going to eat tonight. I might go down P Burgos, get some food. So there's Makati. I'll take a video of this tonight also to show you what it looks like at night. I'm sure it's nice. That's the view. We're on the 12th floor. Go back in. It's hot. So here you have it. I'll actually leave the curtains open so you get a better view of the room. So yeah, here you have it. So Hotel Makati, $62 for 2 nights. That's weeknights. I'm not sure what it is on weekends. It's a weekday, so I'm not sure what it is on weekends, but $62 for 2 weekday nights. So yeah, it's okay. So there you have it. Thank you for watching another one. Thank you for visiting with me. I am going to upload a couple of videos, and then I am going to go outside to get some water at 7-Eleven. Then I guess I'll make my way out to get something to eat. All right, thank you for watching.